So let's look at some factors that we talk about in terms of instruction system design and development. So we are saying here that basic factors to be considered in designing and developing instruction, these will determine the overall teaching and learning process. So the factors in this case that we are going to look at, these are the factors that we, for example, such as maybe what are the objectives, stating the objectives, okay? What are the tasks that are supposed to be performed? What are the methods that we are going to use for us to be able to develop a system design? So what are the methods of instruction, selection, and then how do we integrate the media itself to bring on the board and then work together? So then also we talk about allocation of time within the instruction. As we are developing these systems, we need to allocate time. Okay, we remember that we talked about that time factor, time. Okay, allocation of space, where is maybe the place or where the location is going to be happening. Evaluation of performance and the analysis of feedback, So all these factors need to be considered. So for example, if we talk about the task, what is a task? Okay, let's talk more about the task. We shall briefly talk about the task. What is a task? Okay, a task basically is a content. If I'm the educator or I'm the facilitator, it's a content that I design in the instruction material. It's what I put in there. Okay, it has got topics or the subject. For example, like this one. This lecture I'm delivering, there's a package that we have developed, which is the content for the course. That is an example. So therefore, the propelling force in instruction system design is very, very important in terms of this subject matter, the content itself, and the topics that has to be assessed. So you see, like in education system, now we are saying that, and these tasks, normally, you find that they are packaged in the curriculum, school curriculum. So in the school curriculum, the tasks have been done already, like in Zambia or like many teachers in the world today. You see that the curriculum is embedded there. So meaning that the tasks for the educators or the teachers has already been done by government. Already in the education policy there, we have already goals that have been done, and what are the tasks or activities that people are going to do. Okay, so these have already been put in the curriculum, or some have been put in the syllabus. Objectives, those are the components. You remember the factors there we talked about this, the objectives. So instruction design has a purpose or objective that needs to be achieved. And these objectives are the reasons why certain things are embarked on. Objective can be either be goals, goals and aim based on the intended outcomes of the teaching and learning process. So we are saying that as you are designing the system design approach, you must have the objective of. So we are saying further that the tasks are the activities or the behavior or the skills the learners are supposed to learn, acquire. Okay, and then we are saying that these tasks that the teachers are supposed to develop or are being developed have already been embedded in the education system or in the curriculum, school curriculum, by the governments, okay, in different parts of the world. Yeah, so, and these have been put in so the teacher themselves then now is to review these policy documents, to review and then to look at, say, what are the tasks that as the educators we are supposed to do for us to facilitate this process. So all these has been embedded into the curriculum, and some they are already in the syllabus. So in schools currently find that all these tasks have been done already. Now let's proceed to the stating objective. So in the instruction system design and development, we need to know why we are developing that system. We should have the goal why we need to develop that system for us to be able to achieve, what we are trying to come up with. So objectives, these are the reasons that makes things to go. So you want to do something, you have a reason for it to be done. You don't just go into something and start doing anything without knowing what are the objectives. Why are you doing it? How are you going to do it? When are you going to do it? So these are key for us to be able to reach where we want to reach. So in summary, now we are talking about instruction design. You can make a choice of what are some of the approaches that are available. And then we went further to talk about the tasks. We talked about the factors that we need to consider in terms of as we are designing this system approach. And then we went further now to look at how can the designer, achieve his dreams. Does he have the ability or the knowledge, in terms of how he can analyze? Does he have the skills and so on? So this is very, very important as we are winding up with this one. So we are saying that instruction systems and the development, we have defined what the system is. We have defined the types of system that we have. So as we are winding this, so I want you as students, please, to take note of these key terms: instruction system design, and what are the factors that we are looking at. Very, very important for this course. I end my presentation for this unit. If you have any clarification or comments, please, you are free to get in touch with me, and I'm available 24/7 for clarification. Thank you.